Systems at Work's Timesheets and Expenses is a pre-configured version of Time at Work, providing timesheet, absence request, and expense claim functionality. Let's look at each of those in turn. A timesheet will generally look like this. Employees will enter time against a hierarchy of client, project, and optionally task. Standard hours for each working day must be completed. When a timesheet is submitted, it will go to a line manager for authorization. Following authorization, a timesheet is posted into the project ledger. Costs and fees, which may be in local and foreign currency, are then calculated. Absence requests enable employees to pre-book absences, such as annual leave. Once an absence request is authorized by a line manager, the annual leave days will appear subsequently in an employee's timesheet. Expense claims can be local and foreign currency. By default, they are local currency. Employees can choose from expense types, can attach images of invoices or receipts, can allocate a cost to a cost center other than their own, and can enter notes. There are either cash expenses or mileage expenses, and mileage is calculated at standard rates for each mile or kilometer. Expense claims are authorized by line managers and subsequently go to an accounting reviewer who can check the account codes. And if it's a requirement, we can generate a journal for import into your accounting system. Reporting in Timesheets and Expenses is extensive. Against projects, for example, you can record estimated hours. Also at task level. If you record hours at task level, hours are rolled up also to project level. And this enables reporting such as this here. All projects actuals against estimate. And we can see estimated hours at client level, at project and task level. There are also reports on utilization. We can see here utilization by month, and also, of course, utilization at employee level. And for project managers, there are reports on the projects that they manage. For line managers, reports on the teams that they manage. And for company managers and for the administrator, reports on the entire organization. You can set up various perspectives that allow you to limit visibility of reports. You can also modify the terminology in the system using the data dictionary. If the terminology of client, project, and task is not the terminology that you're familiar with. You can set up fee tables of various kinds, rates by grade or rates by grade in combination with task, project, or client. But none of these things is fixed. This configuration of timesheets and expenses is a prototype that we can tweak to meet your requirements. Change the workflow, you can change the way calculations are executed. There are unlimited ways in which you can modify the system to meet your requirements. We also provide video guidance on how to set up the system. There's a step-by-step sequence of videos that take you through how to configure companies, cost centers, locations, and so on. So that's Systems at Work, Timesheets and Expenses.